In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix unsupported file types in Google Drive. We all know how frustrating it is to try opening a file only to get hit with that unsupported file type alert, but by the end of this video, you'll know how to handle it with ease. Let's start by opening Google Drive in your web browser. If you're not already familiar, Google Drive is a cloud storage service that lets you access your files from anywhere. Once you're on the home page, you'll see all your files and folders listed there. Locate the file that's giving you trouble, then right-click on it. A menu will pop up with several options. From there, hover over Open With. Don't click yet, just hover. You'll see a secondary list of compatible apps and services appear. This is where the fix happens. In that list, click on Video Player for Google Drive. If you're dealing with a video file, this built-in option will attempt to play it directly. If your file is a different type, you may see other apps listed. Just choose the one that matches your file. And that's it. In most cases, this will resolve the unsupported file type issue entirely. One quick heads up though, if the file still won't open, you may need to convert it to a more compatible format. There are plenty of free online tools that can handle this. Think PDF for documents or MP4 for videos. Just make sure whatever format you're using is supported by Google Drive or the app you're working with. That's everything for this video. Follow these steps and you should have no problem getting your files to open. If this helped, hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. Happy file managing!